In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job at OpenAI. The first thing you want to do is visit OpenAI's official careers page. That's the best place to see current openings and understand the kinds of roles the company is hiring for. You'll usually find a wide range of opportunities across engineering, research, technical success, sales, operations, marketing, and more. So it's important to look beyond just the most obvious technical jobs. Once you're there, choose a career area that genuinely matches your background and strengths. You do not have to be a software engineer to pursue a role at OpenAI. Many people focus too narrowly, but companies like this need talent across multiple functions. The key is finding the area where your skills can create the most value. Next, spend time learning AI and agent technology. You should understand the basics of large language models, AI agents, automation, APIs, tool use, and AI safety. You do not need to master everything overnight, but you should be comfortable speaking about these topics clearly and practically, especially in the context of real-world use. After that, start building practical AI projects. This is one of the most effective ways to stand out. Focus on projects that show how you use AI to solve real problems, improve workflows, or automate tasks. Employers want to see applied skill, not just theory. If you're aiming for engineering roles, make sure you also develop strong technical foundations. Useful skills include Python, JavaScript, or TypeScript, Git, APIs, databases, and cloud technologies. These tools often come up in real product and infrastructure work, so having hands-on experience matters. You should also create a GitHub portfolio to showcase your work. Include your projects, documentation, code, and contributions in a way that's easy to review. A clean, organized portfolio can help hiring teams quickly understand what you've built and how you think. Another smart move is contributing to open source projects, especially if you want to work around agent technology. Open source work can demonstrate collaboration, code quality, and the ability to contribute to systems used by others. At the same time, build experience solving real-world problems. Freelance work, automation projects, AI workflows, and even strong personal projects can all strengthen your profile if they show meaningful outcomes. When you're ready to apply, create a results-focused resume. Instead of only listing tools or technologies, emphasize what you built and the impact it had. Then apply through OpenAI's official careers site. Finally, prepare carefully for technical or role-specific interviews. Be ready to explain your projects, your decisions, the challenges you faced, and the results you achieved. Clear communication and strong examples can make a huge difference.